Makadaog. Gamay.
Okay, starting, tayo siya. Okay na? Okay, ma'am, let's go. Thank you so much. Alright. Ito, nag-interview sa mga pinsanan. Ito po ay bagay na bagay na bibisita. Dahil ito po yung mga deployment observant ng mga foreigners. Please welcome, Woody and Jen. Hi, Woody, bati ka muna.
Binabati ko natin mga taga-Navotas dyan. Mga kapitbahay namin nandito na ako sa Wilson Big Time.
Okay. Woody, sige saan ka?
Navotas po.
Ikaw ba ay may anak na?
Wala po.
Dalaga?
Dalaga po. Dalaga.
Okay, so dalaga, tingnan din natin na ngayon na isang foreigner?
Opo.
Okay, at sabihin na kakilala.
Balik sa airport po, ganito po kasi yun. Nagsundo po kasi ako sa ate ko. Like that time, same flight po sila. Nagkasabay din po sila ng trip. Eh, medyo may edad po kasi yung ate ko. Tinulungan niya pong magbuhat ng gamit. Siya po yung unang nakita ko. Hindi ko po nakita yung ate ko. Parang nalaman fresh aid po ako sa kanya. Okay po kasi siya.
The topic is about love. A Filipino who fell in love to a foreigner. That's a nice topic. I think you can relate to this.
Isa ka po ang itong violet.
I want you to meet the love of my life, Robert.
Huli na.
Sunod
Ang violet. Ang sunod sa violet.
Yes, okay.
Ilan yan? Yung mga kailan ng mga parin niya.
In January. Where did you meet this woman? Airport. Airport? Yes. What do you mean? I come out of the airport and she was meeting someone that I was helping. And then we got on great. Really? Oh yes. Are you planning to get married? Yes.
Isa na po.
What do you want to tell? She's moving. What do you want to tell her? I love you.
Even though they
Hindi
have
yung napangit
shown
yung
us I'll be here for you. I love you. Ayun naman sila po.
Sige na.
I will be here for her
Sara po.
as much as I can. Why do you love this woman? We're so similar. We're the same tastes of food, music, everything. We're just compatible. Really, really good. Really. That's how we go. You want to add? You want to add some words? What can I say, darling? You got me heart. I love you.
Ayaw. Daot.
What is your talent, Miss Lucy?
You gotta sing?
Dancing with?
No, sing po.
Singing? With
Together, yeah.
here we go. Here's Robert.
Bukaga na, Jay. Ihayang tanan, ihayang tanan. Balo man kaan.
Bukag na.
ambot ng ambot ng mayo ako sa tao. Ang tao ba tao?
Thank you very much. Over. Appreciate your funding.
Ayun ang opening house na may kanuha ba?
Binabati ko po lahat dyan, mga kapagpaling Valenzuela, mga kapitbahay namin dyan. Hello po sa inyo lahat. Later, kung mga Valenzuela. Yan, ako yan.
Mga kanuha na balong ba?
Yan ako din.
Alright.
Matay.
23 po kayo.
Manajay.
What do you do?
Ayun po, unemployed. Kasi po,
Okay, so I understand that. Okay. Where did you meet this guy?
may mutual friend po yun.
Which one?
Oo.
Where?
Bali po katrabaho niyo po yung kaibigan ko sa Indang. Kapitbahay po namin.
From what country?
UK.
UK also?
Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
All right, introduce. Okay, first.
Pinapakilala ko po sa inyong lahat. Ang
Mama, ata kita ade.
Mark.
Hey, Mark. Hi, Gentlemen. Oh, hi, Mark. Where are you from?
Ingon ko, ihayang daan tanan para dali lang pangitaon. Ihayang daan tanan ba para dali lang pangitaon. Oh.
Oh, wala man dira.
This time I'm here
Ah.
just come to see this year because we're getting married in January. Oh, really?
Hawa.
But it's a long process here in the Philippines. Are you staying here with her in the business or? Yes. Why? Why not in UK? Because we chose to get married here. Just the option we chose. Really? Are you single? Yes, kid. Well, not now. But no, what do you mean? Are you getting married? Yes. We picked up our marriage license on the 3rd of January. Because of the holidays, we couldn't get it earlier, so we picked up on the 3rd of January. What's your message to Miss Woman? Like it says on the RG, yeah? I'm Fusoko, Epara, Sailan, Yesian Sakai.
I love you too, my girl. I really love the both of you. You know that. You already know that.
That's enough.
Not to know.
Is that wrong? When you love someone, you have to get a lot of things. Chief, I travel halfway across the globe to be here. You are everything to me.
Now, you but now.
Finish already.
You but now.
Ina, finish speaking about. Yang gikuan mo ba? Yang gi... Ano
Marco, you already know how I love you so much. Even though you're part of our differences, you know, I love the way you love me. You have a big heart. I know that. And I really thank you for everything, for coming into my life. Proud of you.
A big heart. Just a big heart.
Ano mo ko yung real?
Okay. What is your balance?
Kakao ko yung real.
I know.
Check. Go.
Sina? Wala na, humana na.
Yeah. Sige na.
Sige, laktawi lang siya.